Art has the power to completely transform your home, but only when it's used with intention. In this video, we'll talk about how to incorporate art into your home in a way that feels elevated, cohesive, and personal. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to improve what you already have, these simple tips will help your home feel more complete and beautifully designed. A well-placed piece of art doesn't just decorate a wall, it brings your home to life. I looked around my house and the sofa looked great, the pillows, all the decor that I had on my coffee table, my console tables, the rug, everything was beautiful. But something was missing. Something felt empty. The room felt empty. Everything looked nice, but something was still missing. The furniture is there, the colors are right, everything seemed in place. And yet it doesn't feel complete. And more often than not, it's not more decor that you need. It's art. It's the art that's missing. Art matters. Art does something the furniture and decor cannot. It adds emotion, personality, and depth. Without art, a room can feel flat, generic, or unfinished. But when the right piece is added, the entire space shifts. It feels more thoughtful, more layered, more complete. The most important thing to understand is this. Art is not just decoration. Before you go out and buy just any art, you need to ask yourself this. Will I enjoy looking at this piece every day? Because when you choose art that resonates with you, it naturally elevates your space. One of the most common mistakes with art is scale. Art that is too small can make a room feel empty and disconnected. Instead, think larger pieces or grouped arrangements that feel substantial, and placement matters just as much. Art should feel centered, balanced, and connected to the furniture around it. You don't need art on every wall. In fact, too much can feel overwhelming. Instead, choose a few meaningful pieces. Give them space. Let them stand out. This creates a calmer, more elevated look. Your art doesn't have to match. Some of the most beautiful homes mix modern art with traditional spaces, abstract with classic, old with new. This creates a collected layer feeling. The frame matters more than people think. A simple, well-chosen frame can elevate inexpensive art and make everything feel more intentional. Think wood tones for warmth, black for contrast, soft gold for elegance. If your home has ever felt like it's missing something, there's a good chance it's not more furniture, but it's art. Because art is what brings personality, warmth, and a sense of completion to a room. And once you start using it intentionally, your home won't just look better. It will feel more like you. Mixing different types of art in one room can look elevated and intentional. Or it could look chaotic and accidental. The difference is always structure. Here's how to do it so your space feels curated and not cluttered. Before you hang anything, decide how you want the room to feel. Do you want it to feel calm and serene, collected and worldly, modern and bold, or classic and refined? Each piece of art you choose should support that feeling. This is what turns random art into a story. When mixing styles, like abstract, photography, landscapes, or portraits, you need one element that ties everything together, like a color palette, frame style, subject matter, Mood. Soft versus dramatic. You can mix a modern abstract with a vintage landscape if they share similar tones, like warm neutrals, blues, or muted greens. Not all art carries the same presence. Large, bold pieces gives you visual anchors. Smaller, softer pieces support elements around it. Think of it like this: one statement piece and a few supporting pieces. Avoid having everything compete for attention. You want it to look curated, not chaotic. Mix styles but repeat them. Instead of one abstract, one photo, and one landscape, try 2 to 3 abstracts, 2 to 3 photos, and 1 to 2 traditional pieces. Repeating styles creates rhythm, which makes the mix feel intentional. Use frames strategically. Frames are your secret weapon for cohesion. Same frame, instant harmony. Mixed frames creates a curated look, but keep a pattern. Try all black frames for a modern feel, wood tones for warmth, or light gold accents for elegance. Even widely different art styles feel connected when framed consistently. Create a layout before hanging. Lay everything out on the floor first. These are some popular intentional layouts: grid, structure, and calm; salon wall, collected and layered; linear, clean and modern. Keep spacing consistent, about 2 to 3 inches between pieces. Anchor with one strong piece. Every mixed art room needs a focal point. This could be a large painting above a sofa, a dramatic photograph, a statement textile piece. Everything else should support, not compete with it. Mixing art types adds depth. Paintings, photography, textiles, or sculptural wall pieces. The key is not to cluster all one type together. Interweave them. Step back and edit. This is where most people go wrong. If it feels busy, remove 1 to 2 pieces. If it feels disconnected, adjust spacing or frames. And if it feels flat, add one more bold piece. Editing is what makes it feel designer level. Make it personal, not curated. Your space should feel like you, not a showroom. Mix personal photos, travel art, vintage finds, 1 or 2 modern pieces. But be selective. Every piece should earn its place. Here's the designer formula. If you want a foolproof mix, do 60% cohesive, same tones, frames, 30% varied styles, 10% unexpected statement. That's the sweet spot between curated and interesting. What most people get wrong: too many focal points, no color connection, random spacing, mixing styles without repetition. Fix those, and your room instantly looks intentional. Happy decorating! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's reach those 10,000 subscribers. See you on the next one, guys. Bye!